In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a signature request in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to the reports menu over here on the left on your dashboard. And then when you're in here, there's going to be a bunch of different things. What you want to do is click on signed documents over here at the very bottom. Now inside signed documents, you want to click on the document name where you actually want to cancel a signature request of a specific person, or of course all of them. So I'm going to click on this one over here, which I've sent as a demo. As you can see, it's pending at 2 people. And then from here, you can see it's going to open up, and there we go. It says who this has been sent to. So in my sample data I'm using, I have 2 people over here, and I can go and cancel it for each and every single one of them. So here I can hover over myself, for example, and I can go to the right, and over here you can click on cancel request, and then you have to confirm it by clicking yes, cancel request, and that's really all you have to do, okay? So you could also go and cancel all pending if you want to by clicking on more and then cancel all pending, and you can then click on yes, cancel requests if you want to do it for multiple people. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.